Hey everyone. So today we will create some like a rotating word, okay, like animations in the CSS. Uh, so we just do the CSS and some sort of HTML, okay. So I just need like a just few minutes, okay. Just few minutes. I think the I cannot disable perfectly. So yeah, this is great. Yeah, let's stick to a code. Okay, so we are just creating the rotating word animations in the CSS. So let's go to a code pan. Okay, that's it. So what we are doing, so we will just create a h1 tag. Okay, so for the h1 tag we need a h1 tag. Okay, and we'll just do that, and in that we will have a class name called as ℎ𝕠𝕕𝕚𝕝, and in that I am digital tutorial, or we can say like a digital tutorials, or like a whatever you prefer to name, like yeah, I'm just writing my name, or you can say like tutorials. Okay, like I'm I'm just writing my channel name. Okay, or just I can say my name, right? Bit of Sagar mystery. Okay, and after that I will just something like BR. Okay, and I will just say that I am professional. Okay, and that after that we will having a date tag. Okay, so we will having the date tag. In the date tag we will just add name, what words we want to rotate in that. So in that we will add a three span tag. Okay, so you know how to create a span. So like we just put a span tag, and I will just create like a I am Sagar Mistry, and a professional UI designer, or I can say I'm a good web developer. Okay, so I will write a web developer. And just write complete the one line, and we will have the mobile application developer. So we will add. I will add. I'm not a web developer. I can say like I'm a full stack developer. Okay, or engineer. It's depends on what specification you are having it. So and I can say I'm a YouTube content creator. We can say like a digital. So I can say YouTube content creator. Okay. So to start, and we will just add this. Okay. So we have three types of span here. So the first is like a I'm Sagar Misri and a professional web developer. And second, I'm a Sagar Misri. I'm a professional full stack developer or an engineer. Okay, we will give engineer. We can say like a what's software engineer. It's better like I can go with the software engineer because my resume is like a software engineer. So that is I'm just writing for you guys. So and the last is I'm a Sagar Mystery, and I'm a professional YouTube YouTube content creator. Okay, so definitely I will be one time, but I'm just guessing my first way what we can do. Okay, uh, so let's let's uh, let's go to our CSS. So what we need the professional name should be like a word changing every time for a second, so we can say how many seconds we are doing it in that. So if you want to put any particular seconds, we can say, so you can go with the particular seconds. Okay, so first of all we will just write a class name first of all, like a title name, and we will give a position relative, okay, and we will have the white color. Before white color, and just forget one thing, uh, I need a body called as grid, okay, and I will use a place item as an center. I just on my caps lock, and I want, I can say like I want a background color, okay, the color as an black color. You can choose your color, okay. No trouble. I can use background. Which try I think right. Okay. I don't know why it happens because of flash I think. Yeah. And I will remove the margin here, okay. And we will give a minimum height here. I want 100% vertical height, and we will hide overflow here. Okay, we do not want overflow here, so we just hide the overflow here. And you can see I already created as a black background with a white font. Okay. Second thing is like I need I we will to like if you want to go with a blue color or navy blue color, you can. It's your choice. You can see. So it depends. We can go with a rotate word. Okay, we will choose quick with the rotate words. We have the class name as a rotate word, and all the class names should be on display inline. And second is margin left as in 10 pixel. Okay, like a past one and send little bit space after that. Okay, so that's why I just call as a margin left in that, and we will go with the first stand rotate. Okay, so like rotate was inside that stand. We will give whatever the maximum uh, content height is. So I will go with the maximum content, you can say, and in that I will just try. We will go with the position absolute. Okay, so we will go with the position absolute, and for example, if you want to write some sort of it's not position, so I think it's a mistake. Yeah. So for and the vice was we will have the background color also. So we will have the background color. Uh, we will give some background colors, you can say, like for example I will go with a little bit blue and some sort of this color, so you now you can see, so I'm just sounding like a blue color, and we will have the mark padding in line, you can say, if you are aware with the padding in line. So this is what we will adding the padding in line here. And after that, we will add the opacity here, like opacity as an 0. We can say. First of all, we do not want to show anything in the on the first positions. We can say, right? So we will just hide the opacity. Then after that, we will just use a transform and origin inside that. And second thing is we will just add some like I just want to how the word should rotate on that time. So like it should come like this. Like for example, this is a one word, so it should rotate like clockwise we can say, and clockwise or some half clockwise we can say. So this is what we will edit it. Okay. So after that, we will go with our animations part. So you know how we will in the CSS how we can do with animations like a keyframes. So we will add a keyframes, keyframes, and in that I will add some rotate words here. I'm having like a parser camel case or some just a camel case like. So I'm just writing in the And after that, we will go with the positions wise. We can say like a 5% or 10%, 20%, and 50%, and 25%. We can say not up to 100%. We can say. So I'm just going up to 25%. Okay. The first one, whenever the first positions come up, so on that time my opacity should be 1 on that time. Okay. And the second one will be, for example, I will just add this one, and after that we will go with the 10% and 20% in that, and in that the opacity will be the 1. Okay. But the transform of that we have been changing, we are changing the transform after that. So the rotation of that, like we will go with the rotation part. So in that we will go with the 3 degree, you can see. Okay. And we'll go with the 3 degrees. And the second thing, after that we will go with the 15%, and inside that 15%, the transform, because already having the opacity, we can see. So I'm just adding that opacity, to transform at the minus position. So we'll go with the rotation, -1, we can say. So -1. Okay. And the last thing is, after that, after last point, the rotation should be a 90 degree or a 90 pixel, we can say. Means after on the last position, so rotation will not happen on that time. My translate y will be on the 90 pixel. Okay. And plus we will go with the 1 round, we can say, like a rotate, and in that we will go with the 10 degree. Okay. But on that we need to hide that absolute the opacity, we can say. Means the 25% go tell us whenever the text is coming up on whenever the opacity is coming up on that time, whenever the second text should come on that time. So this first text should be opacity 0. So it should be rotated like this and something like this. So it should going on the opacity 0, we can say, and the second text should appear on that time. So this is what we needed. Okay. So after that we will go. We just want to add this animation inside our span. Okay. So we'll have the animation, and that we will go with the 12 seconds. Okay. And after that we will go with the linear with the infinite one. So we will go with the infinite linear. So let's see. So you can see. It's like breaking my. It's like a breaking something. All the text is coming, but it's not showing like this. So you can see all the text is in one position, right? So here is one thing. So we will add here style. Okay. And in that we need all the style having a different seconds, we can see. So first should be a web developer, then second should be a full stack developer, and third should be a content YouTube content creator, we can say. So here we can say the first of take, we can say it goes for seconds, like a 0 seconds, and we will go with the third and fourth, and means like a second when it should come whenever the first goes up. For example, I will go with the 4 seconds, and last will be, I will just double that, so like a 8 seconds, we can say. And this root element I will add inside this one. So you can see now what happened here. So you can see this, it breaks. Okay, so it's come on next one, right? So it's coming on next one, the particular second, you can see. So you can see this. So it's coming smooth way, yeah, right? So it's like it's coming after few seconds we can say this is what we will achieve. Like it's going like opacity now, then it's breaking down. So it's like hanging something word and it's going by that way. So we are breaking that line, you can say. So this is what we achieved today. So if you want to change your look, you can change it. Like for example, if you want to add more, like for example, 100 pixel of that, right? Like it should move directly. So you can see this now. Yeah, it goes more smoothly. We can see, right? So this is what we will go with. If you having a 12 here, so I'm adding 4 seconds everywhere. So means a 0, 4, 8 plus 4 means 12 we can see. So that's why we added here 12 seconds. And it should be infinite times we can say. So it should come one by one. It should come in that positions we can say. If you want to increase this time, we can say as in 2 seconds we can say. So we can change this as in 2 seconds. Okay, so like 4, then it will be like a half of this one. So it will become fast we can say. It will be coming up fast. So you can see it is coming quick way we can say. So if you want to increase this like 8 seconds, so you can see now what will happen on this side. So it come appearing the fastest way. So if we go with the previous seconds, you can say like 12 seconds. So you will understand. It will show like this and it will break this one. So this is what like a this the seconds 2 seconds will be differentiate like timing of our rotating the words animations we can say. Yeah, so this is what we have created today. And let me add let me add some let me add my profile. Okay, so let me add my profile. Okay, coming up profile. So you know why I added this one? Okay, so yeah, make sure you subscribe my channel, and if you have if you have any doubts, we can see. So if you have any doubts or so you can comment me on the channel or YouTube, we can say on the video we can say, or you can follow me in the Instagram and Facebook, so you can comment on that also if you want that. And make sure if you are new in the YouTube, so make sure you subscribe my channel. uh, Sometimes I check every day like the analytics part, so and statics you can say. On that time, I found something like who had didn't subscribe my channel. They are watching my videos, so please be patient and subscribe me and and yep, like subscribe me. You can say just I'm just giving you an idea or how we can do in the how we can do how we can learn together. We can say. So I'm just giving some sort of my knowledge to you. I'm just transferring my knowledge to you so you can learn something good. So that's what I'm doing it. Okay, and yeah, see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.